In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add subdomain in Vercel. So in order to add a subdomain on your Vercel, what you can do is you first need to head over to vercel.com, and then from in there, click on this sign up option in order to create an account. So if you want to create an account and also create a project at the same time, click on this start deploying. So on my case, I already have an account created, so let me just proceed to log in right here. So here is my actual dashboard. Here is my actual project and my team. And in order to add a subdomain, you can just head over and click onto this domain on your actual project. If you can't find this particular button, click onto the settings, then click onto this domains, and here we have the settings for our domain. So this is already a subdomain, but if you ever want to add a new one, just click onto this add domain right here, then input right here the domain that you have. From in there, click on save. And then after that, this will save it. And as you can see, the subdomain has been added. So it's typically known as subdomain if it has two dots right here. Just click on this learn more. And in here we have the CNAME as well as TXT. It's linked to another option right here. So what you can do is you can just copy the CNAME, the TXT, as well as their values and add it right there into your actual domain provider that you have. In there, you can also see this Vercel DNS. You can move this domain to this team to use the Vercel name servers. If you click on this blue icon right here, you'll be protected the actual documentation for transferring domains from another providers right there. So once you have inputted your DNS records or move your Vercel, just click on this refresh in order to see if it's already been verified to be added. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.